Hi folks, are you ready for another boost tour? Today it's Danish nature, but first...
Through the arbor, in the garden room, wings are beating, baby, me and you alone. Pencil drawing phases of the moon, all through the stages, both becoming seen into. Slowly we take on phosphorescence, vivid in the bond. Phosphorescence. In the heavens, a billion signals move, call and answer, thousand pairs of two by two. Slowly we take on phosphorescence, vivid in the bond. Phosphorescence. Midnight halos twist tied together, turning over, so close together. Midnight halos twist tied together, turning over, so close together. Slowly we take on phosphorescence, vivid in the bond. Phosphorescence.
Have a glorious day, folks! I'm Lawrence from Italy, and my goal is to show you beautiful places around the world through my curious human perspective. If you enjoy this kind of content, give it a like and subscribe, it really helps this project to grow. Welcome to the second part of the video, where I'll tell you how this tour went and where it took us. So, let's dive in. We departed at 8:30 am from a street just behind Copenhagen Central Station. This time there are no special requirements, just one recommendation: wear comfortable shoes. You'll be walking through nature and doing a lot of steps. But hey, hold your fire now. The tour was quite simple and divided into two parts. The first stop was a camp adventure, home of the famous forest tower. As you might guess from the name, it's a forest with a wooden walkway that leads you to an incredible tower. This architectural beauty rises 45 meters high with a 600 meter spiraling ramp. The view from the top? Absolutely stunning. You have around 1 hour and a half to complete the full route comfortably. It's easy and suitable for everyone. After a quick 10-minute stop to admire the Queen Alexandrine Bridge, we headed to our second destination, the magical Møns klint, the white cliffs of Moon. This is truly a hidden gem. I wandered through a forest filled with blooming wildflowers. It felt like an enchanted fairy tale, but before being kidnapped by a phone, I've got some info for you. There are 3 main paths to explore the cliffs. When you arrive behind the tourist bar, turning left takes you along the upper cliff side. Going straight ahead leads you down to the beach. Turning right takes you along the outer upper side. I took the left path first, then made my way down to the beach. Unfortunately, I didn't have time to explore the right-hand trail. Oh. The most breathtaking views and the best photo spots are definitely from the beach, but to get there you'll have to take off 500 steps, some of them quite steep, so judge for yourself whether it's worth the climb, and please stay alive, otherwise you will not watch more videos in the future and I may be very hurt. Along the paths you might spot fossil stones. I didn't find any myself, but I saw they sell some nice ones at the reception area as souvenirs. All in all, this experience was absolutely worth it. You know, I love cliffs and I'd never seen white cliffs before in my life. Truly unforgettable. Highly recommended. And that's all for today, my friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon with another amazing video. Yes, maybe next week. In the meantime, cheers!